Are you trying to install R on your Linux system, only to be greeted by a frustrating warning? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle the warning that says you cannot build PDF versions of the R manuals and get you back on track. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when you're trying to set up something important and a warning pops up, halting your progress. This is a common issue for many users, especially those on Debian systems. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, while configuring R on Debian New Linux 8.8, I received a warning about not being able to build PDF versions of the manuals. What package should I install to resolve this? Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So, what's causing this warning? It usually indicates that certain LaTeX packages required for building PDF manuals are missing from your system. Don't worry, we will walk through the steps to install the necessary packages. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to avoid similar issues in the future. To resolve the warning about building PDF versions of the R manuals, the user should first install the necessary LaTeX packages. These packages are essential for generating PDF documentation. Next, the user should ensure that all required dependencies for R are installed. This can be done by installing the recommended packages for R. After installing the necessary packages, the user should reconfigure R. This step is crucial to ensure that the new packages are recognized. Finally, the user can proceed to compile R. This will allow the user to build the PDF versions of the manuals without any warnings. Fun fact: did you know that LaTeX was originally developed for typesetting documents in the early 1980s? It's still widely used today for creating beautiful documents, especially in academia. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution comes from a user on Fedora. They suggest installing the Inconsolata font to resolve the warning about building PDF manuals. You can do this by running the command sudo dnf install tesh inconsolata. This font is used by R for the manuals. Here's a quick tip. Always check for missing dependencies when installing software on Linux. It can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to configure R without any warnings. Remember, keeping your system updated and checking for dependencies can make your life a lot easier. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.